Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make some crisp and delicious buttermilk cornbread. So center the oven rack and heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then take a medium-sized bowl and add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then grab a wire whisk and violently mix all of these dry ingredients together. Then take a separate medium-sized bowl and an egg and crack the egg into the bowl. And using the same whisk as before, beat the egg into submission. So the egg doesn't get lonely, add 2 cups of luscious, real buttermilk and whisk the two together. Then add 3 tablespoons of melted butter and whisk it in. Onto the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a cast iron skillet. This skillet is about 10 inches in diameter. And we're going to heat the butter over a medium flame. While the butter is melting, add the wet ingredients to the dry and whisk them together just until the cornmeal or the dry ingredients disappear into the wet. When the butter has melted and its foam has subsided, add the cornmeal batter and watch it puff up. That's because buttermilk is acidic and the baking soda we added is pure alkaline. So the chemical reaction makes the batter foam up. And we're going to let this cook on the stovetop for 2 minutes. Cooking on the stovetop this way is going to give the bottom of our cornbread a really nice crust. Meanwhile, the oven will give the top of the bread a fantastic top crust. And into the oven she goes until the top turns golden brown. And that will take, 30 minutes. And here's our cornbread all browned and crusty and really begging to be eaten with butter. I'm going to cut a slice. Hang on. Now, the best time to eat this cornbread is when it's fresh out of the oven. That way you can slit it down the middle and add a knob of butter. And the butter will melt very quickly. A little taste. Before I taste it, let me show you that I am going to enjoy this, as you should, with a bowl of chili. And to the chili, I'm going to add some very sharp shredded cheddar cheese. You could add some diced onions to this as well, or some sour cream would be good. And here we go. A little tasty. Can you hear the crunchy crust? So guys, if you only know the dry, tasteless cornbread that comes in a boxed mix, I think you'll be delighted with this from scratch version. Again, it's got a terrific crust, it has a moist crumb, and it's got a pure corn taste. There's nothing boring about it. So thanks for spending time with me today. I hope you'll subscribe to this YouTube channel. There's a little subscribe button over here. And I hope you'll post a comment below. I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.